Welcome to Operation Handle That Nursery Scandal, which basically means get my nursery done. I am getting ready to convert one of our guest bedrooms into the baby's nursery, and I have a lot to do. Paint, furniture, get rid of the existing furniture. Not quite sure what I'm doing with it yet. There's a lot going on. I'm feeling very overwhelmed, but I have to get this done, and so I wanted to show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I've got a lot of fun plans for this nursery. We're kind of going a little bit modern, a little bit vintage. I have a ton of vintage stuff that I want to use, but I'm trying not to make it too vintage. So it's going to be a really interesting process. It's going to be kind of coming together organically because I don't have a super clear vision in my mind. I have to kind of see it as we go along. So right away I can tell you that paint is going to be my biggest issue and biggest hurdle to overcome. For some reason, when it comes to painting a house, I have no problem picking out other people's colors, but in my own home, it's just mind-boggling. I need so many other opinions. I need help. Basically, I need a lot of help. I didn't want to be overwhelmed by all of the choices in a typical paint store, so I chose to go with CLARE Paint, which has a selection of carefully curated colors that makes choosing my perfect color so simple. I've chosen my favorite color. Now it's time to get this transformation underway. Almost all of the pieces used in this nursery were previously used in my first son's nursery. Why buy more furniture when I can just reuse what I have? I found these baskets at Goodwill for about $3 a piece. Can't beat that. really love how the nursery turned out. To be honest, I wasn't quite sure how it was all going to come together, but in the end, it is gorgeous, it's fun, it's bright, it's poppy, and it's got a little bit of vintage, a little bit of sophistication, but overall I think it's great. And honestly, the paint color is what inspired me the most. Clean white walls was a great starting point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, leave comments below about what you thought about the nursery, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.